Hello and welcome to the rain barrel garden. In this part of the demonstration garden, we want to show you how to make good use of rainwater by collecting it and having it available to water your plants at a later time whenever you want to. The way we do it here is we collect the rainwater from our shed roof and guide it via a rain gutter and spout into a traditional round rain barrel. And the two methods we use to distribute the water is either by using a watering can and getting the water out of a spout, or we attached at the bottom of the rain barrel a soaker hose, which simply works with gravity and letting the water run through the hose and drip basically through the hose at the whole length of the garden to the flowers. We have, except for the marigold, who are annuals, we have perennial plants, mostly sedum plants here that are drought resistant, and you can have all kinds of fun trying out what works best if you're installing a garden like that by you. Another thing which is fun about the rain barrel garden is you can be creative with your plants, but you can also show your artistic side with the rain barrel. They come in all kinds of sizes. You can fit them in your garden and you can try to paint them with a fun motif like we tried to do. So we hope you get inspired by trying it out in your own garden and stop by to get an inspiration when you have time. See ya!